Okay, guys. So, adverb. What is an adverb? Okay? Adverb is like eat slowly. Okay? It's eat fast. Okay? This is an adverb. So, slow, fast. Okay, now. Okay, you remember all of the adverbs. So if you see here, these are all adverbs. These are all adverbs, okay? Fast is an adverb. Do you remember the task that I gave you today? The task I gave you is which animal is fast? Which animal is faster? What does faster mean? Faster means more fast than fast, okay? It means, so if you think of a rabbit, a rabbit is fast. A rabbit is fast. But a greyhound dog is faster. A greyhound dog is faster than a rabbit. It's faster than a rabbit. Okay? But then a cheetah is really fast. A cheetah is the fastest animal. It's the fastest. Okay? So it's fast, faster. This is the comparative form, or then the superlative form. You remember Superman? Superman is the fastest. It's the superlative. Okay, it's the fastest. So superlative will always have the. It will always have the. The comparative will have ER or more. ER or more. Okay, so it's neatly, more neatly, the most neatly. Okay, let's look at number 2. All right, so number 2 is slowly. Okay, so then we can write for here. What can we write for here? Dora? Good, Dora. It's more slowly. More slowly. Okay? And then here we can write the most slowly. The most slowly. Okay? Number 3, clearly. Okay, we can write more. Okay, so if you see here, this has ly, this has ly, so they are the same. They are the same. For this one, it's the same, okay? So what can we write, Jasmine? Very good, Jasmine. It's more clearly and the most clearly. The most clearly. Good job, Jasmine. Okay, now quickly. Well, quickly also has a y. So what can we write? Liam? Yeah, more quickly. More quickly and the most quickly. The most quickly. Okay, and then number 5, carelessly. How can we write about carelessly? We can write more. So carelessly, carelessly has an ly. It has an ly. My throat. What can we say? We can say more carelessly and the most. The most carelessly, okay? Politely has an ly. All right, so what can we write? Ray. Yeah, good, Ray. It's more politely and the most politely. The most politely. The most politely run. The most polite. Okay. I'm going to erase this. Okay, fiercely. Fiercely also has an ly. We look at 7 to 15. So fiercely. Fiercely also has an ly. So it's more fiercely. The most fiercely. Okay, beautifully, more beautifully, the most beautifully. Okay, bravely, more bravely, and the most bravely. Okay, safely, more safely, and the most safely. Okay, loudly, more loudly, and the most loudly. Carefully, more carefully, and the most carefully. Strongly, more strongly, and the most strongly. Softly, more softly, and the most softly. And then dangerously, more dangerously, and the most dangerously. Okay, great. My arm is tired from doing that. I'm going to erase this. But I will show you the answers. If you are not finished, I will show you the answers here. Okay, so more slowly, the most slowly, more clearly, the most clearly, more quickly, the most quickly, more carelessly, the most carelessly, more politely, the most politely, more fiercely, the most beautifully. Oh, everyone, I don't know if I wrote the, but you should write the for all of them, okay? The most carelessly, the most politely, the most friendly, okay? More beautifully, the most beautifully, more bravely, the most beautiful, the most bravely, more safely, the most safely, more loudly, the most loudly, more carefully, the most carefully, more strongly, the most strongly, more softly, the most softly, more dangerously, the most dangerously, okay? Okay, so great. Let's move on to page 60. Let's go to page 60. So, some adverbs don't have ly at the end, okay? So, when they don't have ly, then we form the comparative form by adding er. So fast becomes faster. So a greyhound is faster than a rabbit. Okay? Or Ray. Ray is faster than Teacher Camilo. Right? Okay? Ray is faster than Teacher Camilo. Teacher Camilo is very slow. Teacher Camilo is really slow. Okay, and then the superlative is Superman. Okay? Superlative is est. So we form the superlative form by adding est and use the before the adverb. So it becomes like the fastest. Okay? The fastest. Alright, so then comparative is er, superlative is es, and the. Okay, the before the adverb. So number one, George ran, and then we need a comparative. A comparative to what? Adverb, to fast. Okay, so George ran. Liam? Good, Liam ran faster. Okay, and then I ran. Liam? The fastest. Okay, so because here it says fast, here we will use faster, and here is the fastest. The fastest, okay? I will try to get that. Okay, so for good and so for these adverbs, well, badly, little, and much, these are called irregular. Okay? So, quickly. If quickly is in the comparative form, then I'll say more quickly. Fast. If fast is in the comparative form, I'll say faster. Okay? So it's either more or er. Then in the superlative, quickly is what? Quickly is the most quickly. Fast. What's fast? It becomes the fastest. The fastest. Okay, so many adverbs, most adverbs, many adverbs, you have, if they have an ly, then you will add more or the most. Other adverbs with no ly, they will be er and the and then est. These adverbs are not like this. They're not like this. You don't say this. Okay? They are irregular. Irregular. Irregular means not normal. It means weird. Okay? So, Teacher Camilo talks. This is normal. This is regular. If Teacher Camilo says, this is irregular. This is irregular. Teacher Camilo is not normally like this. Normally, adverbs are like this, not like this, okay? So, well, I have an adverb like well. So it's well, and then it's better. And then the best, okay? So if you don't know, well means good, okay? So you say, I run well. You don't say, I run good, okay? You say, I run well. And then maybe Ryan says, I run better, okay? And then Richard says, I run the best. I run the best, okay? I run the best. So it's good, better, best, okay? Now badly. If you don't know, badly is the adverb of bad. So it's badly, and then it's worse. So it's actually here. Number 6 is worse. And then what's this one? You can look at the spelling. Yeah, it's the worst. Okay, so you can say that Teacher Camilo talks badly. Okay, but Teacher Camilo's singing is worse. Okay, and then you can say Teacher Camilo's dancing is the worst. It's the worst. So it's bad, worse, the worst. Okay? So it's badly, worse, the worst. Okay? And then little. Alright? Little. The comparative form, so it's like little, less, and then the least. The least. Okay, great. Then much. Much. I have, he got much money. So then this one is more. What is this? More. And then the most. The most. Okay, so you can see it's better, the best, worse, the worst, less, the least, more, the most. Sorry, I forgot to write this. So guys, please make sure you write the, okay? Please make sure you wrote the. All right, let's look at number 1 then. And did badly in the exam. So you need to write the comparative for badly. The comparative for badly is worse. Tom did worse in the exam. Let's give everyone 1 point. Right? The superlative is Tim did the worst in the exam. Okay, the worst. Leo did well in the race. Lee did, so it's well. Well, Lee did better in the race, and Lucy did the best. Okay? Okay, so that's it for Target Grammar 2. You can close your books. You can close your books.